stay clear while
This is Alaska Flight 740 with service to Las Vegas. Thanks for being mindful of others while finding your seat. Please place your smaller bags underneath the seat in front of you and store only those larger bags in the bins overhead. Thanks for joining us this evening. We apologize for the delay, but we're happy to get on the way here. The quicker we get everyone on board, the quicker we can get out of here. Thanks again for joining us. Welcome aboard. Belt fastened low and tight whenever you are seated, and remain in your seat when the seatbelt sign is on. Mask to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face coverings, then place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and secure the mask with the elastic band. Tighten it by pulling on the ends. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a crew member. For security purposes, no line may form at the restroom in the front. Please use the restroom in the cabin in which you are seated whenever possible. Help us get ready for takeoff by making sure your seatbelt is and unplugged from seat power. You may continue to use small devices in airplane mode. If you are seated in an exit row, ensure that those window shades are open and devices are unplugged from seatbelt. Also, welcome to our Mileage Prime members and those joining us from our One World Alliance partners. It is good to see you again. You can now use approved devices in airplane mode, and NC power is available. Free texting and over 800 free movies and shows are now available at AlaskaWiFi.com. Streaming fast Wi-Fi can also be purchased for just $8. Please remember that headphones are required. Very quick flight to Vegas, and we have a very limited offerings for service. In the main cabin, we'll be off. Alrighty folks, we are just about a half hour from landing now. We're going to go ahead and prepare the cabin for arrival. If you could help us to bring the cabin.
We do have our flight attendants pick up the cabin a bit early for our descent from Las Vegas. So we're looking about another 7 minutes here with the seatbelt sign off. After the seatbelt sign is turned on, we'll ask that you remain seated with your seatbelts fastened for the remainder of the flight. 50 degrees in Las Vegas, mostly clear skies. Thanks for flying with us. Hope you have a nice evening. I hope you'll come back and see us again here at Alaska Airlines.
Vegas. The local time is 11:18 p.m. Please keep your seatbelts fastened. Our pilots will turn off the fasten seatbelt sign when it is safe to get up. Please leave your things where they are until we have reached the gate. If your phone is close by, you can take it out of airplane mode. With our baggage service guarantee, your bags will be at baggage claim within 20 minutes of our arrival at the gate, or see a baggage agent or to receive a discount or miles towards a future flight. For information about connecting flights, check the monitors inside the terminal or use the Alaska Airlines mobile app. On behalf of all of us at Alaska Airlines, a proud member of the One World Alliance, it has been our pleasure having you on board today. A special thank you to our mileage plan members and elites. It was nice to see you again. To join our award-winning program, visit alaskaair.com/mileage plan. Whether this was your first time flying Alaska or you fly with us often, thank you, happy holidays, and take care.